guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Atrey and I make videos related to makeup, skincare, reviews, hauls, etc. So if this is something interests you, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Now without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. I hope I'm not late on the trend. So here I am with my version of clean girl makeup. So I wanted to do this video but बहुत time हो गया मैं सोचती रह गई and then I just stopped. So today I am going to do this clean girl makeup with affordable products. So I'm going to use minimal products plus affordable products. So अगर आप में से कोई भी college girl हो और आपको बहुत ही affordable products use करके एक look बनाना है, so I think this is the right video for you. So let's get started. So the thing is with the clean girl makeup look, it's your no makeup look plus you look very prim and polished. Now मेरे साथ problem ये है कि जो मेरे hair है ना, they are like super frizzy. So I don't know, like I really don't know how I'm going to make my hair look presentable. But first of all, I'm just combing it out using a comb, of course, using this type of comb. And lately I have been using a lot of heat on my hair, so I think today I'm not going to use anything. So just keeping it natural. But yes, later on I'll tie my hair. But right now I'm not going to do anything else because otherwise it won't look good. Okay, so I'm just going to leave it like this for a while. And one more thing, I have a very broad forehead, तो मैं अपने बाल बांध के रखना prefer नहीं करती because it does not look good. Clean girl is about your skin, how your skin looks, so it's skincare rather than a lot of makeup. So what I'm going to do is मैं सबसे पहले अपना जो फेस है उसको अच्छे से हाइड्रेट करूंगी. मॉइस्चराइजर मैंने लगा लिया है. For that I'm going to use this one. This is Mars Hydra Glow Primer. This is how it looks like. And I'm just going to apply this. Now you know I love this one because the texture of this is super soft and इसको लगाने के बाद your skin becomes so soft. Plus this Hydra primer is super inexpensive. So if you want to get a similar type of dewiness और आपको ज़्यादा dewy नहीं चाहिए है ना, आपको ऐसा नहीं चाहिए कि that you have applied a lot of shimmer. So I think you guys can try this out. And I'm just going to massage it well. This primer absorbs into your skin really nicely और बहुत जल्दी absorb हो जाता है. So after this I'm going to use a color corrector. For my color corrector again I'm using this one. This is the Inside Cosmetics HD Conceal and Correct. तो इसके अंदर ना बहुत सारे शेड्स आते हैं. As you can see ये deep skin के लिए है. This is how it looks like. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this one, the orange one. Now why color corrector is important for me? क्योंकि मेरे यहाँ mouth के around a lot of pigmentation is there. So I just want to hide this because you know as and when you enter in your 30s, your skin reacts differently. So you have to conceal whatever you have. And plus ये ना बहुत ऐसे orange ऐसा नहीं है that this is just going to give you a very orangey cast. This is like perfect for my deep skin tone. मतलब ज़्यादा orange नहीं है. Now don't get scared by this. This step is very important for me. Otherwise ना मैं कुछ भी लगाऊंगी तो वो ना ashy turn out हो जाएगा. That's why I just take a little amount of this and it looks put together. Now next मैं foundation use नहीं करूँगी. I'll use a BB cream. You can also use a concealer if you want, but मैं concealer skip करूँगी because we are making this very affordable. So for that I'm going to use this one. This is Mars BB cream. Now it has a very light coverage, so आपको problem ही नहीं होगा. See, I'm just taking this one, this much, and you know इसका जो consistency that is very light, and आप बस इसको apply कर लो अब. बट मेक श्योर टू कवर योर फेस वेल क्योंकि आपने कलर करेक्टर, हमने जो कलर करेक्टर लगाया है इसको ब्लेंड करना इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. वैसे आई नो यू विल थिंक कि ये तो नो मेकअप लुक है तो कलर करेक्टर क्यों लगाएं, क्योंकि पता है क्या, अगर आपके स्किन में थोड़ा सा भी पिगमेंटेशन रह गया ना तो फिर ना आप कुछ नहीं भी लगाओगे ना तो एक अलग बात है. बट इफ़ यू वांट टू अचीव दैट नो मेकअप क्लीन गर्ल टाइप ऑफ लुक देन इट विल जस्ट पीक थ्रू which is not a nice feeling, and that is why I just apply a little bit of color corrector, like not very much but a very little. Going to blend it with a brush. Now I don't want a lot of coverage but I just want to apply a little bit of concealer under my eye. So I'm again going to take this one only this much, and थोड़ा सा ब्राइटन भी कर देगा ना ये मेरे अंडर आईज को. दैट्स इट. जस्ट गोइंग टू अप्लाई इट अंडर माई आईज ओनली. ऑलराइट, सो एक बार मैंने ये कंसीलर लगा लिया है. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू फिल आउट माई आईब्राउज बिकॉज इट्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट स्टेप टू फिल आउट योर आईब्राउज टू गिव योर ब्राउज अ लिटिल ग्रूमिंग इफेक्ट. आईब्रोज को फिल कर सकते हो, ठीक है। आजकल लोग जेल और आई थिंक वैक्स यूज करते हैं, बट आई स्टिल यूज द पाउडर। एंड यू नो मेकअप इज ऑलवेज अबाउट योर कंफर्ट लेवल। कोई और कुछ कर रहा है, यू डोंट हैव टू फॉलो दैट। Now I'm going to set my under eyes, otherwise it will start creasing. For that I'm going to use Lakme 925 powder. Now again आप यहाँ पे कोई भी powder use कर सकते हो, whatever you have, but again इसमें coverage अच्छी है and plus this is not that expensive, so I like using this one. मैं सिर्फ अपने under eyes को set करती हूँ because I don't want to take the hydration out of my skin. Okay, so now my skin is already concealed. Most of it I have concealed. So अब जो है मैं थोड़ा सा blush लगाऊंगी, and for blush I have this liquid blush. So this is by BS Beauty. Now this comes under 300 rupees and ये काफी अच्छा Indian brand है, Instagram page है, she makes these at home. So again you can definitely check it out. And I don't like using a lot of it, ठीक है, I just take this much. Now this is very much like your इलाना का जो ब्लश है ना वैसा, बट इट्स नॉट वेरी पिगमेंटेड. दैट्स अ गुड थिंग, क्योंकि यू नो एवरीडे लुक में यू डोंट वांट योर चीक्स टू लुक वेरी पिगमेंटेड, सो जस्ट यूज अ लिटिल बिट. सो आई एम गोइंग टू प्रोवाइड हर इंस्टा हैंडल, so you can check it from there. Guys, if you're not a very big fan of these type of blushes, so you can also use this one. This is by Cups and Lashes. ये उनका कपी केक है. So this is again very inexpensive. So if you don't want something cream, you can definitely go ahead and use powder. But I like cream products on myself because I think कि clean makeup look में if you use mostly cream products, it just looks really good. Liquid products काफी अच्छा लगता है, आपके फेस को काफी अच्छा दिखाता है. So what I'll do is I'll just apply this shade onto my eyelids, just to give my eyelids a little bit of that extra factor. Wash of color, I don't use a lot of it क्योंकि हम clean girl कर रहे हैं, so you don't need a lot. Our main focus is not eye makeup, it's just a very good skin and काफी अच्छे से मैं इसको लगा लूंगी. Yes, I'll just apply a little bit of bronzer because I have a lot of space on my face. तो मैं बस थोड़ा सा bronzer यहाँ लगाती हूँ, I mean jaw line पे, ताकि मेरी जो जॉ लाइन है वो थोड़ा सा शेडो उसमें दिखे एंड थोड़ा सा अच्छा लगे वो देखने में, ऐसा यू नो विदाउट एनी शेप का नहीं लगे. आई जस्ट टेक अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ ब्रॉन्जर हियर एंड जो फाउंडेशन ब्रश था ना उससे आई जस्ट ब्लेंड इट आउट, ताकि ये ना हार्श ना लगे, क्योंकि दिस कलर कैन बी अ लिटिल हार्श फॉर यू. ये अगेन ये कप्स एंड लैशेस का ही है. दिस इज देयर ब्रॉन्जर इन द शेड कॉफी डेट. काफी डार्क है मेरे लिए, बट आई लव दीज टाइप ऑफ ब्रॉन्जर्स. फोरहेड पे भी लगाऊंगी बिकॉज यू नो माई फोरहेड इज वेरी वेरी बिग. एंड इस लुक के लिए ना आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू यूज एनी हाईलाइटर बिकॉज आई थिंक द ग्लो इज कमिंग फ्रॉम विद इन, सो विल जस्ट कीप इट दैट वे. वट आई एम गोइंग टू डू इज मैं थोड़ा सा ना फ्लिक निकालूंगी यूजिंग दिस ब्रॉन्जर एंड यूजिंग दिस एंगल ब्रश. आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू टेक दिस, ज्यादा नहीं लेना है मुझे, आई जस्ट वॉन्ट अ लिटिल बिट टाइनी फ्लिक, सो दैट मेरी आईज को एक थोड़ा सा डायमेंशन मिल जाए एंड ज्यादा कुछ मुझे नहीं लगाना पड़े. Now of course guys this depends on you कि आपको ये फ्लिक निकालना है नहीं निकालना है. I just love how this looks, so that's why I did it. Now I'm going to use mascara, तो उसके लिए मैं मार्स का मस्कारा यूज करूंगी and I'm just going to use it on my upper lashes. Okay, now lastly I have my lipstick. So this is Nykaa lipstick in the shade Mona Lisa. Now this is a nude shade, but it's not nude, मतलब it's good for my skin tone. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Now you see my skin looks fresh and dewy, and that's the whole concept of this type of makeup. Now it's very important to wear minimal jewelry. So for that I'm going to wear these very small hoops. You know, so ये थोड़ा rectangular है, so I'm using this. You can also wear something like this. This will also look good. So yeah, I'm just going to wear this. Guys, I'm using this gold jewelry. मतलब gold jewelry क्या, gold tone jewelry. It's up to you what you want to do. So I'm just going to fix my hair a bit and come back. I'm just going to keep it back like this. And yeah, this is what my face looks like. What I feel is the best part about this makeup is that you look presentable, but you don't look over the top. So I just love this type of makeup. You can also use a setting spray, but I'm not going to use that today. This is my entire look. Yes, this is what it looks like in natural lighting. You can see my skin looks really good, and yeah. Yes, you can also apply a little bit of gloss if you want, but I did not want to apply gloss today because otherwise वो बहुत made up लगता. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to leave a like, comment, and I never do makeup videos, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I loved doing this video with you guys. So we'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.